Hi Fraanse Fam, today I will be showing you guys how I pack for air travel, how I pack for my carry-on and different things like that. Stay tuned.
Some of the girls feel like automatically I have an advantage over them because I'm awesome and I totally have it going on.
What's good, Fraanse Fam, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am beginning to fold my clothes, just showing you guys how I fold them. You'll see me fold a lot of matching sets, workout gear, different things like that. Number one, the trip I'm going on, it's in the mountains, so I plan on doing a lot of hiking. I also think that workout gear is versatile. Like, it's a, errand outfit, it's an airport outfit, it can be many different things, just because it's cute, like workout gear has come a long way. So I pack a lot of those versatile outfits so that I'm not overpacking and stuffing my suitcase with too many things, just in case I decide to go shopping and I bring some stuff back and then I'm not sitting there having to buy another bag to check in because I decided to overdo it. So as you can see, this is another workout outfit and just throwing that into the bag. So here I am beginning to put my items into the carry-on. So I'm just cleaning it out a little bit. I probably had some stuff from the last time I traveled, but so I am doing the sort of stand-up method. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, but when you stand everything up instead of just laying everything flat, it gives you a little bit more room to place everything. So as you can see, I am just making sure everything is leaning together, everything's standing up so that when I open the suitcase, if I'm in a hurry or anything like that, I can just pull out exactly what I need and know where it is and not have to, take everything apart and have to refold it again because I didn't know where I put it, or it's under something else. So you just want to make sure it's more organized as possible should you have to change in the airport or anything like that, emergencies happen, and you want to make sure you know where everything exactly is. So if you notice, I'm packing a lot of sweaters and different things like that. It is almost summertime, but where I'm going is going to be very, very cold, and I have to make sure that I have sweaters, jackets, and different things like that so that I am not looking crazy, because where I currently live is very hot, and so it's gonna be a transition packing. I feel like I'm going back in time, but I'm excited. And so if you see boots and different things like that and you're like, wait a minute, isn't it April? Yes, it is April, but I am packing things for winter time because it's gonna be like 30 degrees where I'm going. So yep. So as you can see, things are laying flat. There's still a lot of room to say this is a carry-on suitcase. There's a lot of room. As you can see, I am placing all of my jackets on top of everything else so that these are easy just to remove, because you're gonna wear one with each outfit, so that's super easy. Leather jacket, the essentials for the cold, different things like that. This item that I'm placing on top is called a brassy bra. I did a video on that. It's actually an adhesive bra. They're really great for travel. If you want to go braless with your swimsuit or anything like that, they're perfect. And then I also did a video on my makeup, how I pack my makeup for the plane. You can also go watch that. I just released that video as well, because as you can see, I'm placing that makeup packed up together on top. So this is a smaller version of the carry-on. It came with, well, it didn't really come with, but it matches the other carry-on that I just packed for you guys. These items that I am showing you are my under eye pads. They're supposed to moisturize your under eye if you wake up with puffiness. They're really, really cheap at like TJ Maxx and different things like that. I keep them on deck, y'all. This is like my toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, a little tiny bottle of mouthwash, just a little extra. I also throw in there, I also found a rolling pin, which I thought was really, really cool. I got this at Dollar Tree, y'all, for $1. And it had a mini one, like a mini one you could fit in your purse. I thought that was so cute. But you know, when it comes to winter clothes with the suede and all that different stuff, you gotta keep a rolling pin on deck. This is just my cotton balls and my Q-tips. That's all in one bag. Just kind of stuff that in there. Most of my toiletries are going in this bag. My PJs, things like that you kind of will pull out at night. Everything's going in this bag. Motrin, should I get a headache? You know, you have to keep stuff like that on deck because you really never know, y'all. You never know. So I'm gonna be throwing, like, you know, my perfume, my just like toiletry things, my floss, different things like that. This item, you guys, oh my god, I bought this at Marshall's today, and I was looking for a mirror that I could bring with me so that I could do my makeup, because certain mirrors, the lighting is just terrible. Your makeup will come out terrible if you don't have the right lighting. And so this was $17 at Marshall's, you guys. And it's a touchpad mini by Impressions Vanity. And it comes with a charger. It's travel friendly. And it's just bomb. And I just want to put you guys on game because I was really looking for like a travel vanity. And I came across this at Marshall's and I was shook. Because I was going to buy one on Amazon and I just really couldn't find one. All the comments were bad for different ones. And when I came up across that, I was like, yeah. So these are silicone travel bottles, you guys. I just love the texture of it. It's great for like lotion, shampoos, conditioners. I'm going to show you guys at the end of the video how I fill these things up and what I'm going to be putting in these things, just so you guys can see. They fit about 2.5 ounces. And they are really, really easy to just place in your bag. And they're very, very durable as well. I would definitely invest. This is another item I bought at Marshall's today for $5.99. These clear bottles I got from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. The ones you typically see, you know, and if someone's carry-on, those little clear bottles with the twist top, I got those at Dollar Tree. And you can put anything in those. And I will also show you guys at the end of the video what I did for those as well. As you can see now, I am going in with my matching PJs. You guys, like, my friends are like, you the only one I know that wear matching pajamas, like, to this day. I don't know if you wear matching pajamas. Please comment below, because I know I'm not the only one that love matching pajamas. Like, that is my thing. If it comes with shorts and a tank top, but it's matching, it's cute. You know, I just like to go to bed in style. I don't see nothing wrong with that. But, you know, I'm throwing in my pajamas. And also I'm going to put my tennis shoes and my boots and different things like that on top. What I've learned when traveling is not to pack too many shoes, because you're not going to be able to bring them all. Because I love to bring all my shoes, but it's not happening. These are my Disney PJs. My friends call me a Disney princess because I love Disney, but I have to have my matching pajamas. It just makes sense. I don't like to dig in a bag and look for, you know, a t-shirt and a shorts trying to figure out what I'm wearing to bed when I could know what I'm wearing to bed. But I'm just throwing in chargers. You saw me put the vanity mirror between my clothes because sometimes they throw around. Well, I mean, I'm bringing this bag on the plane, but if you pack things and you have to check the bag in, sometimes they're very, very, very crazy with your bags, and then you get stuff back and it's broken. So just, you know, be aware of that as well when packing. If things are fragile, you know, try to put them in between something so that it doesn't move around as much. So here I'm throwing my boots on top. My knee-high boots are very, very easy to pack. You just roll them down, throw them into the bag, and there you go. And then I also like to pack tennis shoes. You guys saw all the workout, you know, gear I had. So I need to wear something if I'm going to go hiking. I'll probably purchase some hiking boots while I'm there. But, you know, for the time being, you got to have a little something. little something. So I'll throw my socks in this bag as well. This is, like I said, my toiletry bag, my pajamas, different things like that. That'll all go in this bag. So I'm just showing you guys how everything looks. This is my travel pillow to stick around my neck should I fall asleep. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit of the compartments. The area up top on the top flap, that's probably where I'm going to put my socks. I'm still sort of washing. These are my masks, you know, for Rona and everything. So you got to keep those on deck. I like the disposable one so it doesn't irritate my face. There's a lot more storage on top. As you guys see, you can stuff your laptop in there, or just anything last minute that you want to put in there. There's storage for that as well, should you have a bag like this. So here I'm just showing you guys what I, am deciding to fill these bottles up with. So first, of course, you got to kind of rinse them out. You don't know where people's hands been and all that. But I'm filling the first one up with the micellar water. I'll use that to take off my makeup at the end of the day, and so I have to bring that because I know I'm gonna put on makeup, I know I'm gonna beat my face, so it's important for me to pack that. So here I am going to add my body wash into this container. I actually packed a body wash that I found, but it wasn't the exact same one that I used, and I just don't know how things are going to affect my skin, so I have to just be very, very careful on what I pack. So I just have to pack what I know, my bread and butter, what I've been using for a while now, and it's just better to be safe than to be sorry. And then it's better to use something you know is gonna smell good than to use something and you like, why did I buy this? So that's why I did what I did. So here I am adding some hair product into one of the bottles. So far we have body wash, micellar water, and this sort of like hair curly stuff that I put on my hair to keep it from getting frizzy. If you have any product that you want to bring, you can always put into a travel container. I've been to airports where they've thrown away my stuff because it was too big, and it's so hurtful when you bought something and you're trying to hop on a jet and there is nothing you can do about it, because in order to get through TSA you have to follow TSA rules. So you can absolutely buy a travel size bottle and put your stuff in there that way. So I'm also going to be filling up the clear containers that I bought, because sometimes I like to see exactly what I'm grabbing. So I'm going to be going in with my clear solution. If you ever got piercings that clears, they give you that solution to clean your ears. So I'm still in the healing phase, so I have to bring that. I don't have to bring too much because you're kind of just dipping a Q-tip, cleaning it, and going about your business. So if you want to pour a lot in there, if you do or don't, it's up to you. I'm also going to go in with some Listerine. I have to bring that on trips. You don't know, sometimes you go to hotels and stuff and it's just not the same. Like, it's not the same mouthwash. Like, it's not the exact one you like. So alright, so Fraanse Fam, everything is packed up. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. I just want to show you guys, I have my purse, I put the shades up there for aesthetics, and I'm definitely packing those shades. I'm a shade person, so I'll probably pack 4 or 5. So I have my both of these are carry-ons. Like I said, this one's just a smaller one. I have my pillow. This one I can carry around like across on my body, different things like that. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button at the top. Also too, don't forget to hit that notification bell at the bottom of this video, so every time I post a video, you will be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey, you made it to the end of this video. I have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure to click here or here for the next video, and make sure to subscribe so that you're always in the loop of the next video.